Hi my sweet people, so today I'm actually making this double chocolate banana bread, and if you want to know how I made this, then do keep on watching. The ingredients will be you need bananas, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, plain flour, brown sugar, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, chocolate chips, and eggs. Just get a mixing bowl and you can add in your mashed bananas. So it's actually best to use bananas that are really ripe so that it will taste better, because if you don't use really ripe bananas, then your banana bread will end up tasting like some kind of medicine bread, which it's really not nice at all. I've tried it and it doesn't work, so it's best to use ripe bananas. Even if you're impatient, you gotta wait a little. So just use three. I'm using three in this recipe, and just mash them all up. Add in some brown sugar. Just mix as you go, and you can add in your vanilla extract. Next, you can add in 2 eggs. After which you can add in your vegetable oil. So if you want, you can use a mixer, but in this time I'm actually not using a mixer, so you actually go much faster and the ingredients will mix more, mix better if you're using a mixer instead of your hands, because it's more manually done. And yeah, so just continue mixing until I'm gonna separate the wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So to prepare the dry ingredients, I'm gonna get another mixing bowl and just add in all the powders so that I can sieve them, and then add in slowly at the afterwards. You can add in your flour, your cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and just add it all together so you can sieve them and make sure they're all good to add in. It'll be more fine, and the powders will be better to mix in for the banana bread. So I'm just adding the powder slowly until they are fully mixed into the mixture. And I actually missed out one of the videos for last week because I was not feeling well, and I had like a scare of having fever and all that. So that was why I didn't really have a video last week, and this was supposed to be uploaded last week, but due to that I had to take some time off, and now I'm gonna be editing it so that I can upload it tomorrow, which will be on Saturday. And all is well. I had to take a swab test and all that, but I'm actually okay, and it was negative, so that was an experience for 2020. But yeah, hoping that everyone is safe and well. And banana bread is really quite a comforting kind of dessert. I would say you can have it for breakfast or snack or anything, up to you when you like to have it. So it's really nice to make banana bread. It's kind of one of my favorite because it doesn't taste like a bread. It can taste like a cake, and there's in between somewhere. Just mixed in everything, then you can add in your semi-sweet chocolate chips. So if you want, you can add half here, and then later you can add the rest on top, or you can just add in 1 cup here and then add in additional after that on top of the layer of your, once you have prepared the pan and all that. Start to prepare your pan. I'm just adding in parchment paper so that it will be easier for me later, because I don't want to dirty the pan, and also it will come out nicer if you're gonna add in the parchment paper. So I'm not greasing it, but I'm just putting in the parchment paper so that I can just add in the batter. And then once you added in the batter on the top, you can add in more chocolate chips if you want. You actually look much nicer after you bake it. Looks so good right now. So you can prepare to bake it at 350, and then you can bake it for around 55 to 60 minutes depending on your oven. So you can just monitor around the end timing. And it was really super nice, and definitely you're gonna love it if you definitely try this recipe, because everyone loved it. And then once you've baked it, you can just allow it to cool, and afterwards you can just once it's cool, you can serve and enjoy. It's too tempting and really addictive. So hope you guys like this video, and do let me know if you try a recipe and how you felt it about the recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine.